The Central Bureau of Investigation on Monday conducted a 6-hour interrogation of actor-turned-politician Vijay, who heads TVK in connection with the Karur Stampede case. Vijay reached the CBI headquarters on Lodi Road around 10:20 am and left close to 5 pm, according to the officials. Sources confirmed that the investigation is still underway and no conclusions have been drawn regarding his role at this stage. A senior CBI officer said the agency is examining the sequence of events that led to the tragedy and will decide whether individuals will be named as accused or witnesses only after analyzing all statements related to the event permissions and crowd management. During questioning, Vijay was asked about the delay in rally, whether it was unavoidable, forced, or a decision taken despite awareness of the gathering. Investigators were assessing whether the delay contributed to the situation spiraling out of control. Outside the CBI office, TVK leader CT Nirmal Kumar said the party is fully cooperating with the probe and dismissed circulating rumors. He added that Vijay has not been summoned again. Vijay was earlier questioned for a similar duration on January 12th. He was scheduled to appear again on January 13th but sought more time due to Pongal. The stampede, which occurred in September last year, resulted in 41 deaths. Tamil Nadu police had earlier attributed the chaos to Vijay's alleged delay, while Vijay rejected the allegation, calling it a political conspiracy and blaming inadequate crowd control. The case was transferred to the CBI from the state-appointed SIT following a Supreme Court order. The top court has also set up a 3-member supervisory panel led by former Judge Justice Ajay Rastogi, observing that the incident affected fundamental rights and warranted a fair and impartial investigation.